the one for me. You ain't got shit I need. Want me to take my time with you. Maybe I'm not your speed. Maybe I'm not your league. You ain't even got no cheese. Maybe I'm just too G for you. Maybe I'm just too street. I can even roll in peace. Everybody notice me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be doing new lip glosses. Well, this is only going to be one of them. I will be doing a whole new collection, so whenever I am finished with all of it, then it will be up on the website. And I already added my oils and my Versagel, so I'm just mixing that together. In a separate container, I'll be mixing my pigments. Since this one is a powder, I don't want the little chunks in the lip gloss, and it will be very hard to mix, so I am mixing that first and then applying it to the Versagel. I know my lighting is very bad, but the liquid pigment is pink and the powder is brown, so I'm just going to be mixing that together till all the chunks are gone. And then I'm going to be adding it to the Versagel along with the oil. Now I'm adding the pigment to the Versagel and the oils and just mixing everything together. So it was looking a little too brown to me, so I added a little bit more pink, and I was really going for a dark shade of pink, but not, I don't know really how to explain it, but I was not going for a light pink and I didn't want it too dark, so I just kept on adding until the desired color. Due to the bad lighting, the actual color of the lip gloss doesn't show very well, so just stay till the end. When I did the gloss bath, I did it on my phone, so you can see the actual color. So just wait till the end of the video and then you will see that. Now I'm adding my preservative oil. Like I said in every other video, if you plan on selling your lip gloss, make sure you use that. It makes the lip gloss last longer. But I did realize when I added the preservative oil in this lip gloss, it changed the color just a tad bit. So try not to add too much. I will know that for the next color I decide to do. But for now, I will just use it as it is in this one. Now I'm adding my apple flavoring oil, and I did get it from Amazon. I always state where I get everything from, and you guys still ask me the same questions. Like literally, I state everything in the video. All you have to do is look at it. It's all right there. Now I'm going to be filling the tubes as well as the sample jars. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Mwah.